Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog on your website, and we'll list the benefits of having a blog at connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we do is we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login, and let's get our username. It's our email address along with our password. And that's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of this. Let's go full screen. So to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button here. And to create a blog, we're going to add a blog page and a post. We also have settings. These are the editing tools. Today we're going to start with adding a page. Let's click on Pages. And before we add the page, real quick, this is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to add the blog page here. We already have some posts here that we've been working on. So we have some posts already started to add to our blog page. Let's go back to Connect. And so let's go ahead. We clicked on Website, then we clicked on Pages. Now we're going to click on Add a Page. And let's put a title, Blog. And down here, welcome to AAA Outdoor Blog. And let's go ahead and make that bold, italic. Let's go like 18 point and center that. And let's go ahead and add a picture. We could add a picture up here under featured images, but what we're going to do is we're going to bring this down. We're going to add the picture right here. So we're going to go up here. We're going to hit the search folder. And we're going to click on My Images. We already have that loaded into our computer, and we're going to use this picture here. So we're going to click OK. So we added the picture to our blog page, and let's go ahead and hit Create. So we created the page. Also, since it's our blog page, you want to check this Include Post. So there's what we just created. Let's click Update because we just hit Include Posts, and there it is. We've created the page. Now let's create the post. So we're going to click on the Post button here, and then we're going to click on Create New Post here. These are the posts we already have, so we're going to create a new post. And the new post is going to be a little bit different. We're going to call it Benefits of a Blog. Okay, and right here, what are the benefits of having a blog? Question mark. And let's go ahead. Let's give that a little color here. Let's just go green. We'll go like maybe 14 point, bold, italic. And actually, let me back up. We're going to back out on all this stuff. Go back to 12 point, X out on the color. And before we format that, I have something on my clipboard. So Control-Shift-V, it's paste unformatted. Now we can go back in. We can add the color. We can change it to 14 point, bold, and italic. Okay, and let's get rid of this. And here it is. Here are the benefits for having a blog. Number one, each blog post creates a new index page and benefits your SEO, your search engine optimization. And every Dataczar website comes with automated SEO, so keep that in mind. Also, blog content allows for sharing through social media, thus increasing your traffic. And each post has a share button for readers to share via social media. Also, it lets you convert traffic into leads. And Dataczar provides a newsletter sign up with each website. And the benefits, it benefits your relationships with your customers. And it provides tips. By providing tips and useful information, you're going to benefit your relationships. Long-term results. Also, it gives you long-term results for blogging. With more clicks and views, the higher the ranking goes on the search engine. So the more people that read this blog post, the higher the ranking goes. And your blog allows you to create a newsletter from your Dataczar website. And this is a really cool feature. What you do is you use the automation on the main menu to create the newsletter. So you use automation here, and then just look for the how to create the newsletter. And that will be under the, there's also a video on that under education. Look for that, the video, the tutorial video on how to create the newsletter. And your blog provides content for your newsletter, so you don't have to recreate the content. Each time you create a blog post, it provides content through the automation. Okay, so there's our blog post. Let's click Create. So created the post, we created the page, and let's go back to the AAA Outdoor Scenes. And now we're going to go ahead and our blog page is going to be here, and we're going to see our blog post. So let's go ahead and do a hard reset. Let's do Control F5. And there it is. There's our blog page. There's our blog post. Let's go to the blog page. And there it is, our AAA Outdoor Scenes. Here's the benefits of having a blog. Let's read more. And there's our post. And notice that we have the share button. So you can either tweet it or share it on Facebook. And let's go back to the blog page here. And let's go back to Connect. And let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how you create a blog on your website at Dataczar Connect.